So, good morning. We are Group H, and we will be covering the process of accounting at McDonald's. So, we're going to be talking about the value chain, the cost accounting system, the key activities and cost drivers, cost as well, product mix, design decisions, pros and cons, and lastly, the social and environmental issue of the company.
So we're gonna start with McDonald's value chain. So McDonald's value chain consists of three things: manufacturing to logistics, logistics to retailing, and retailing to manufacturing. Manufacturing also consists of three subtopics, which are standardization and consistency, cost control, and quality assurance. So standardization and consistency. McDonald's is keen that every customer receives the same taste and quality regardless of their location. This also means that food preparation methods are similar within all restaurants, creating an expected product experience. So it improves brand reputation and customer satisfaction. Cost control is by maintaining a consistent approach to its business. McDonald's can negotiate for a better deal with its suppliers, ultimately reducing costs by buying in bulk. Lastly, quality assurance is for McDonald's to make sure that their food safety standards are always met. They do this by implementing their training programs for employees. This creates customer trust in the brand. Next up, we got logistics. Logistics consist of efficient supply chain management, supplier relationship, and sustainability. So in efficient supply chain management, McDonald's has a very organized and effective logistics system that allows it to maintain a consistent flow of supplies to all of its restaurants worldwide. This lets McDonald's reduce lead times to keep up with customer demand. Supplier relationship. McDonald's have managed to maintain strong relationship with their suppliers, enabling them to obtain high quality ingredients at competitive prices and adapt to any changes in the market. Lastly, sustainability. In the last few years, McDonald's have tried to be more environmentally friendly. The restaurant is reducing carbon emissions, utilizing eco-friendly packaging, and streamlining delivery routes. Lastly is retailing. In retailing, we have customer experience with that McDonald's with its trained staff and fast service offer an enjoyable and consistent customer experience, resulting in positive feedback and increase in its revenue. Its innovation in service and delivery is continuously improving with their new self-service kiosk and with online delivery. These new methods make operations more efficient, lower labor costs, and increase customer satisfaction. Lastly, global reach and localization is when McDonald's change of menu to adjust to different regional taste and has helped the brand to expand its customer base in different markets.
Okay, so now we're gonna move on to McDonald's basic cost accounting system. So McDonald's employs a standardized approach to track and manage costs across its operations. It typically uses a combination of job costing and process costing methods. Job costing is used for tracking costs related to specific products, while process costing is used for tracking costs associated with standardized processes, such as food preparation. The system incorporates both direct costs, for example, ingredients and labor, and indirect costs, for example, utilities and overheads, to calculate the total cost of production. Costs are allocated based on predetermined rates and standard costs established by the company. So McDonald's has a couple of key activities. The first one is ingredient procurement. McDonald's sources ingredients in bulk to achieve economies of scale. Cost control in procurement is essential to maintain profitability. Food preparation is another key activity of McDonald's. Standardized processes ensure consistency and efficiency in food preparation, minimizing wastage and labor costs. Another key activity is labor management. Here, efficient staffing and scheduling help control labor costs while ensuring adequate staffing levels to meet customer demand. Inventory management is another very key activity to McDonald's. McDonald's closely monitors inventory levels to prevent overstocking or stockouts, optimizing inventory turnover, and minimizing holding costs. Lastly, quality control. This regular checks and adherence to standardized recipes help maintain product consistency while minimizing costs associated with network or waste. Now on this slide, we're going to be talking about McDonald's key cost drivers. First of all, we have ingredient cost. The cost of raw materials such as meat, potatoes, and vegetables is a significant cost driver. Another cost is labor cost. Wages and benefits for restaurant staff, including cooks, cashiers, and managers, are key cost drivers. Another one is utilities. Energy costs, including electricity, gas, and water, contribute to operating expenses. Rent and lease is another expense that McDonald's is another key cost driver. Costs associated with renting or leasing restaurant space are significant. Location, size, and lease terms affect these expenses. Additionally, marketing and advertising is another cost. These are the costs associated with marketing campaigns, promotions, and advertising also influence overall expenses. Effective marketing strategies aim to maximize returns while controlling costs.
So now how are cost, product mix, and design decisions taken at McDonald's? I'm gonna start off with cost and standardization. McDonald's relies heavy on standardized ingredients, procedures, and equipment across locations. This allows for bulk purchasing, which reduces costs for ingredients and simplifies training for staff. Supply chain management, they negotiate strong contracts with suppliers to secure favorable prices on raw materials. Menu optimization, menu items are carefully evaluated for profitability. Low performing items may be removed and recipes might be tweaked to use less expensive ingredients while maintaining taste. Technology, McDonald's invests in technology to streamline operations and reduce waste. This can include automated ordering systems, inventory management software, and energy efficient kitchen equipment. Next, there's the product mix. Marketing research. McDonald's conducts extensive market research to understand customer preferences and identify trends. This research helps guide decisions about new menu items, limiting time offers, and regional variations in project offerings. Franchise input. Franchisees who operate a significant portion of McDonald's restaurants have some influence on the product mix. They can provide insight into local preferences and suggest menu items that cater to their specific markets. Global versus local. McDonald's balances offering core menu items that are consistent worldwide with introducing regionally inspired products to cater to local tastes. And profitability. Ultimately, the product mix is designed to maximize profitability. Each item is evaluated based on its sales, costs, and contributions to the bottom line. Design, the customer experience. McDonald's restaurants design prioritizes efficiency and a comfortable dining experience. This includes features like clear signage, easy ordering layouts, and designated seating areas. Brand consistency. The design maintains a consistent look and feel across all locations, reinforcing brand recognition. Technology integration. Modern McDonald's restaurants incorporate digital kiosks for self-ordering, digital menu boards, and mobile ordering apps to enhance convenience for customers. And lastly, local adaptation. While maintaining brand identity, some design elements might be adapted to fit local preferences or building codes.
Next, we have the pros and cons for McDonald's. First, we have the first one of the pros is efficiency and speed, which is the standardized procedures and prepped ingredients ensure fast service, which is ideal for customers on the go. Consistency is that customers know exactly what to expect in terms of taste, portion size, and quality across all locations. Cost control, bulk purchasing and streamlined operations lead to lower food costs and menu affordability, so there's no menu changes. Scalability, the systematic approach makes it easier to open new locations and maintain brand identity. And the last one of the pros is that training. That standardized training simplifies hiring and onboard new employees. For the cons, we have limited customization, which is that menus offer less flexibility for individual preferences or dietary restrictions. The food quality, it has a emphasis on speed, and cost effectiveness can sometimes compromise ingredient quality and nutritional value. The labor practices are repetitive tasks and potentially low wages that could lead to employee dissatisfaction and turnover. We have the environmental impact, which is a large-scale food production can contribute to waste and environmental concerns. And lastly, the lack of culinary innovation is the focus on consistency can diminish creativity and menu innovation so that there's no change in the menu.
Okay, now we're moving on to what is the importance of social and environmental issues for companies like McDonald's, right? So first of all, McDonald's brand reputation and trust. McDonald's operates in the public eye and is subject to scrutiny from various stakeholders, including customers, investors, regulators, and advocacy groups. By demonstrating a commitment to responsible business practices, McDonald's can enhance brand loyalty and attractiveness to consumers. Next of all, we have risk management. Issues such as food safety, labor practices, environmental sustainability, and community relations can lead to reputational damage, legal liabilities, regulatory penalties, and financial losses. Proactively managing these risks through robust policies, practices, and reporting mechanisms is essential for safeguarding the company's long-term viability. Next, we have customers' expectations and preferences. Today's consumers are increasingly conscious of social and environmental issues and often consider these factors when making purchasing decisions. Aligning its practices with evolving consumer preferences not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also drives demand for McDonald's products and services. Next, we have regulatory compliance. McDonald's operates in a highly regulated industry with laws and regulations governing various aspects of its business, including food safety, labor standards, environmental protection, and advertising practices. Compliance with these regulations is essential to avoid legal and regulatory consequences, including fines, sanctions, and legal disputes. Proactive engagement with regulators and adherence to industry standards are key components of McDonald's risk management strategy. Lastly, we have long-term sustainability. Social and environmental issues are integral to McDonald's long-term sustainability and as a business. By investing in sustainable sourcing practices, reducing carbon emissions, minimizing waste, and supporting local communities, McDonald's can contribute to a more sustainable future while ensuring the resilience of its supply chain and operations. Sustainable business practices also help attract investment, talent, and partnerships, driving innovation and growth opportunities for the company.
So the conclusion. So process accounting at McDonald's is a critical component of its business operation. By tracking and managing costs throughout the manufacturing, logistic, and retail processes, McDonald's ensures consistent quality, efficiency, and profitability. The system allows the company to maintain a competitive edge in the fast food industry and meet customer expectations while maximizing profits.